Hello. Thank you so much for your love and support. And once again, we are back with another video tutorial, and this type the strategy of the update deployment. So there is a strategy. So which strategy we can use in Kubernetes? So the common strategies are first is rolling update, and second is recreate. These two we will see in our Kubernetes. There are few many. So what is a rolling update and what is the recreate? There are more than that, but in Kubernetes, these tools are mentioned. Blue, we can use other also, but in field strategy field, these tools are mentioned. Blue green deployment and canary, AB testing, shadow and mirroring, feature, flag. So in rolling update, there are two things which is there in Kubernetes, that is max and available and max surge. First we'll see what is rolling update. So suppose this is the pod, this is the deployment pod, three pods are there. If I want to update, means suppose I want to change something, or so what happened, not simultaneously all the pod will gone. First this pod could be deleted and recreated, then this pod could be deleted and recreated, then this pod should be deleted and recreated. So one by one things can do. So here two things comes into the picture. One is max unavailable, means how many pods can be unavailable at a time, and max search means how many can be available temporarily. Means suppose these are the three. So if max search is a 1, so I can create a 1 pod. Means if max search is a 1, if max search is 1, so we can have temporarily 4 pod. Or max unavailable is 1, means at a time out of these 3 only 1 can be unavailable. If max count is 2, is all. So this is in percentage. So if this is 25%, so it is round down and it is round up, means minimum 1 is there up. So if 25% is written, then also 1. If nothing is there, then also 1. So we'll take a value like this 3 is replicas of 3. So max unavailable is 25%, so only one no pod can be down, means all 3 pods should be up and running. So max search, if not defined, it by default it takes as a 1. So one pod is created. So first one pod is created. When this pod is up and running, then this pod is deleted. Now one more pod is created. When this pod is up and running, this pod is deleted. And when one pod is created, and when this pod is running, this pod is deleted. So by this way things can be done. In recreate, all the pods are deleted at once and created. So this is the advantage. So most of the time we'll use the rolling update, and it is the by default. If we had not defined, the strategy is rolling update. So there are various other topics which we will discuss when we'll have a little more time to discuss it. So just start a killer coda. Now we'll just copy a deployment YAML file. So I'll copy this and vi. So here wq videpl .yaml. So I need to change here the strategy. So how we can, here strategy is here recreate. So spec strategy type, and so I can here below replica I'll type the strategy and type equal to recreate wq. So one deployment is created. Now we'll check a pod get deployment. So 3 out of 3 is ready. K get pod. So this is ready. Now K get pods -w. So here you are seeing these things. Now we'll edit image. So here instead of 14.2, I'll use 14.1. Whenever we change, whenever we apply trigger rolling up, recreate strategy. So all pod will be deleted, and so you will see terminating, creating, and you will see here terminating means 2BRJ, 2BRJB, this is terminating. Fire TMC is terminating. and KB is terminating. So every second it is showing the update, it is terminating, then completed, and then it will start creating again, and pending, create, container creating and running. We have already seen the, so I'll control C. We have already seen the life cycle of the pod. So these are the steps we already discussed. You can go through that video, and control B. So what I will do, I'll change the strategy type now. So I'll create k delete deployment. So control L. Now we in that this update strategy is rolling update, and max available unavailable is 1. So I'll copy this deployment file and I'll paste it here. So max unavailable is 1, means one pod can be max available. So instead of that, I'll do this max unavailable is 25%, means 0, because it's a round down. So I can express in percentage or in numeric term also. So WQ. So control L, and again K get pod. So control B, K apply -F. So pods are created. In right hand side, you will see that these pods are running now. So I'll now, if I get control K, these 3 pods are running. Now whenever I apply any changes, means I will change the image also here to 1, but I will so whenever I apply this image, then you will find that first pod is created, and then look this pending. So you will see that pod is terminating, means first pod is created, container creating, running, and whenever this new pod is ready, one pod is terminated. Then again, if you'll see what I will do, I'll font size is little here. So you will see that this is 3 pod and 1 pod is pending. Now container, whenever this pod get ready, 1 pod is terminated. Okay, now 1 pod is created again. So as we have discussed, 1 pod is created and then 1 pod is deleted. Then one more pod is created, one more pod is deleted, then one more pod is created, and done. Those are the sequence. This is clear from this logs. You can do it by yourself, so you will have a clear cut understanding. So control C, I'll exit. So these are the a rolling update and max available and max surge. So these are the case, and you can define both values also, or you can define in percentage also. So these are the good means YAML file. You can use it and you can practice it. Revision history we have already discussed, and resume and pause we have already discussed. Max surge is already discussed. That selector, replicas, pod template discussed. Canary we have not discussed. So now patch we have not seen, but we'll see. We already have a tutorial of this, and you can find it, but we'll create it tomorrow. And there is a failed we'll see failed deployment and complete deployment. One more thing, if suppose this image is wrong in rollback, suppose key get pods, these are the pods, and now I want to update vi deploy.yml. So here max available is 25%. So if I define a wrong file name, instead of nginx, I defined something ngvy wq. So none of the pod get killed. Apply happen deploy. So you'll whenever I configured. So when I get pods, so there are 4 pods, 3 which is already running and 1 which is created 5 seconds. Because it is not ready, rest are safe. So something wrong goes, then deployment is there and we can revert it also. So this is the thing is which is much important and in rolling. Thank you so much for your love and support. We'll meet in next video. Thank you.